type, ito yung square. And then, lalagay natin sa tabi yung sauce. Okay, this is our finished product, the spinach and tofu crispy wontons. Masarap po yan, pang pika-pika. Pulutan ho ni Mr. pag nagiinuman siya. Okay, thank you so much for joining us this morning. See you again next Monday for another recipe. This is Baby Hizon from Hizon Catering Services.
This segment is brought to you by Hizon's Catering Services Incorporated.
Wow, parang bagay ang recipe na yan sa mga nagda-diet at health conscious dahil ang tofu ay mula sa soya at ito ay masustansya sa protina.
Mukhang nag-research ka talaga, partner. Kaya naman next Monday, panibagong recipe na naman ang handog ng ating cooking expert na si Tita Baby Hizon.
So at this point, Patty, I'd like to thank, of course, Salon 921 for our hair and makeup today, to Samstray Enterprises Incorporated, to Mr. Jim Acosta. Maraming salamat din po. Sundance Direct Sales for my accessories and Mon Fabula for my outfit today.
Okay mga kaibigan, sa mga tagapanood natin, itry po talaga ninyo ang product ng Samstray Enterprises. Ito ang new placenta. Napakaganda po talaga para sa Filipino skin.
Yes, tama ka dyan, Patty.
Yes.
Talagang puputi kayo. At yung original po, yung may mukha daw ni Miss Melanie Marquez ang dapat ninyong bilhin.
The original.
Yes. Thanks so much as well to Moesaka Health and Beauty Center.
Dragon Fireworks Incorporated. Safe, quality fireworks is our commitment. For inquiries, call up telephone number 372-3508-210. Argon Animation Incorporated, the best and only laser company in the Philippines. For the best animation, please contact the following: 0921-2999-245 or 0920-913-4670. For large format digital printing and silk screen printing, call up telephone number 366-2168 and look for Mr. Louis De Ala. Traders Hotel Manila by Shangri-La is designed with comfort, efficiency, and convenience in mind. The hotel fulfills the needs of both business and leisure travelers with quality accommodation, functional facilities, as well as the renowned Shangri-La hospitality. Traders Hotel Manila is located in the vibrant Manila Bay area and overlooking its famous sunset on Rojas Boulevard. For inquiries and reservations, please call up telephone number 523-7011 or email at thm@shangrila.com.
Salon 921. Be the talk of the town. Pamper yourself. Be hip. Feel confident. Be the talk of the town at Salon 921. Located at number 32 Regalado Avenue, Fairview, Quezon City. Come and visit Moesaka Health and Beauty Center. You will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out. Dahil negosyo ang hanap nyo, Sundance Direct Sales ang maaari ninyong kaagapay sa pag-asenso sa buhay. Negosyo'y abot kaya ng inyong bulsa, kita ay siguradong makakabuhay. Body kits, car accessories, car audio, change oil and tune-up, under chassis, restoration, painting, and engine modification.
Ang bilis! Grabe na to!
Launch Racing, your one-stop shop.
New Placenta by Samstray, endorsed by Melanie Marquez. New Placenta is effective for skin whitening and anti-aging. Sa pagbili ng New Placenta,